You're missing out on some incredible websites. And the best part? They're totally free, and barely anyone knows about them. From productivity powerhouses to mind-blowing AI tools, here are the best free websites you've never heard of, until now. First up, Tixio.io. Need a smarter workspace? Tixio lets you organize bookmarks, notes, and widgets all in one place. Perfect for teams or solo creators. Imagine having your digital life organized effortlessly. Next, Tome.app. Create stunning decks and visual stories using AI with Tome. Just describe your idea, and it builds it for you. It's like having a personal designer without lifting a finger. Cleanup.pictures is a game changer. Want to erase unwanted objects from photos in seconds? Just upload and swipe. No Photoshop needed, it's that simple. For the coders out there, check out Codeium. This free alternative to Copilot helps you write and complete code using AI in real time for almost every language. It's like having a coding buddy who never sleeps. And finally, DriveAndListen. Want to chill while driving through Tokyo, Paris, or NYC? This site streams real city drives with local radio. It's strangely soothing and a perfect escape from the daily grind. Which one blew your mind? Comment below and share your favorite hidden gem. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech discoveries every week.